Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Fusionist token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Fusionist ACE is a blockchain powered gaming ecosystem centered around a high quality CSIFI strategy game and its dedicated blockchain endurance. A live AAA game, a free-to-play PC strategy game featuring match battles available on mainstream platform like Steam and Epic Game Store. A dedicated blockchain powered by the Endurance Network, a high-performance EVM-compatible sidechain built for digital entertainment. A utility token, the ACE token fuels the ecosystem used for network gas fees, staking, and powering the in-game economy. Fusionist project institution rating is 3.9. Fusionist token total supply is 146.3 million and circulating supply is around 104.67 million ACE token. ACE token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.